So hello guys, I'm Nishit back with another video. So recently I started programming in Python, so I thought that I should share it with you guys. So this is the episode 1 of the series for Python beginners. So if you're a beginner and want to learn more about Python, then this series is for you. So today we're going to talk about the print function in Python. So let's get started. So, as clear from its name, the print function prints whatever is typed inside its parenthesis as an output. So, if we want to tell the user something, then we have to type it inside double quotation marks or single quotation marks. So, I'm just going to make a program to print Python first with double quotation marks, then with single. We have to type the word Python inside the double quotation marks. I'm going to save this by pressing Ctrl plus S and run this by pressing Ctrl plus K. So as you can see, it's working properly as we expected. Now I'm just gonna remove the double quotation marks and replace them with single quotation marks. So as you can see, it's working properly as we were expecting. Now we know how to print Python or something else with double quotation marks or single quotation marks. But you should use double quotation marks rather than single, because when we try to write something like "What's up?" then we place a single quotation mark here also. So the Python program thinks that we want to print only this and gets confused because it don't know what is the meaning of S and up. But if we try the same with double quotation marks, then you can see it does not show any error. So I'm just gonna run this to show you how it looks. So as you can see that it prints "What's up" as we were expecting. Now we know the advantages of double quotation marks. Now let us take an example. We want to print something like this. So actually there are two ways in Python to do this. First, we can use multiple print functions like this. So I'm just gonna run this to show you how it looks. So as you can see, it is working properly and printing what we wanted. But we don't need to waste 3 lines and use 3 print functions when we can compress it all to a single line with the help of the \n operator. So what it basically does is that in a string, whatever is in the right side of it goes to the next line. If you don't know what is a string, it is anything between two quotation marks. Like 1 is a string, 1 2 is a string, 1 2 3 is a string. So I'm just gonna remove all of this and type print parenthesis double quotation marks. Now I'm gonna type what we want in the first line. So we want 1, so I'm gonna write 1. Now we want 1 2 in the second line. So I'm gonna type \n, then 1 2. Now we want 1 2 3 in the third line. So I'm gonna type \n 1 2 3. So this should work properly. I'm just gonna run this. So as you can see, it is working properly and printing what we wanted. So that's it for today guys. If you have any doubts related to this video, then you can just comment it and I'll reply the answer. If you want to practice what we talked about today, then you can just try to do any of these questions. Then you can just simply comment the answers and I'll tell you if your answer is correct or not. The next episode will be about variables and the input function. So stay tuned for that. Till then, goodbye.